Hello, welcome back. Today we will discuss the Pulsatilla. So introduction, common name is wildflower, family Ranunculaceae, proved by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. Basically, the Pulsatilla is a predominantly a human remedy, especially for the teenage girl who show marked mental and uterine symptoms. However, it can also be used in male when indicated. Now let's see the clinical condition. The pulsatilla is clinically useful in acne, abortion tendency, anemia, amenorrhea, bronchitis, cough, cold, leukorrhea, and the most important is menstrual disorder. Mnemonics tip. Remember the most condition of the teenage girl like hormonal and the emotional response well to the pulsatilla. Now let's see the sphere of action. It's act only in tongue, stomach, bowels, female genital organs like ovaries and uterus, vein, eyes and ears. Pathogenesis. Pulsatilla produce the irritation and the catarrhal inflammation of mucous membrane, leading to thick, blunt, greenish yellow discharge. In homeopathy, we will prescribe according to the similarity of symptom. Hence, the pulsatilla suit the patient who naturally produce such type of the discharge. Now let's see the constitutional. Generally, patients are fair, delicate, and the beautiful woman. Blue eyes, light hair, soft and fine skin, gentle, mild, and cheerful temperament, phlegmatic and the slow in behavior, cries easily, very emotional, thermally reaction, they are not either chilly or the hot. Miasm is a psychotic tendency. Now let's see the guiding symptoms. If you are the confused about the heading like guiding symptoms, so guiding symptoms is the characteristic symptom of this specific remedy. So first, changeability like symptom constantly change location or the nature. Example like first headache, then stomach pain, then leg pain. Like this. Weeping disposition. Easily move to tears, better in open air. Worse in a warm and the closed room. Pain increase gradually and the disappear suddenly. Pain relieved by cold application or the gentle pressure. Now let's see the characteristic feature. Like open air but dislike the warm or the close surrounding. The pain comes and go like shifting from place to place. When lying on affected side or the applying something cold, the patient feels better. Now let's see the skin and face. Acne and pimple appear around puberty, especially after menses begin. Acne worsens after fatty food or the sweet. Complexion become dull, face look puffy. Now let's see the desire and aversion. Desire to the open air, fatty foods, butter, and the sweet. Aversion to milk, meat, and the rich food. Now let's see the most important part is mental symptoms. The pulsatilla patient are the very gentle, soft-hearted, mild, and the timid. Easily moved to pity. Cries easily, especially when telling her the complaints. Changeable mood, like happy one moment, sad the next. Fear darkness and the ghost. Like sympathy and the company, dislike being alone. Aggravation from fatty or rich food, cold drinks, ice cream, pastries, irregular menses, ovaries trouble after getting wet or the catching cold. Now let's see the eye symptoms. The conjunctivitis, yellow blend discharge, burning and itching, especially upper eyelid. It's very helpful in a stage. Stomach and GIT. Indigestion, fatty food or the ice cream, especially in children's. Nausea, vomiting, pain in epigastrium. Watery, greenish yellow stool, often at night. Stool is changeable. No two stool like no thirst. Now let's see the respiratory system in GID. In respiratory system in pulsatilla. Cough from the suppressed menses or the cold exposure. Worse in a warm room, better in open air, dry at night, loose in morning. Female reproductive system. This is the very most of spear for the pulsatilla. Menses delay, scanty or the suppressed. Dysmenorrhea with a pain shifting location. Flow intermittent. stop and start again. Leukorrhea is a thick, bland, and a yellow-green discharge. Labor pain weak, irregular, and inefficient. Desire to open doors and the window during labor. Clinically note, the pulsatilla 30 or the 200 is often used to regulate menses or the assist in a smooth delivery when indicated. So this is all about pulsatilla. Thank you for watching.